Hi everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to block someone on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. I'm using an iPhone here, but the process is exactly the same on Android. To block someone, you'll need to go to their profile. You can find it by searching for their username, opening your inbox if they've sent you a message, or by going to your profile and checking your followers or following list. Once you're on their profile, tap the share icon in the top right corner. A menu will appear. Scroll all the way down and tap block. TikTok will then show a confirmation message explaining that the person won't be able to message you, see your posts, or comment on your videos. If you're sure, tap block again to confirm. That's it. The user is now blocked, and you can unblock them anytime from your settings if you change your mind. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick TikTok tutorials. Thanks for watching.